Hi there, today I'm gonna show you how I installed Reolink cameras. They're wireless and they're charging from solar panels and running via Wi-Fi. So installation approximately takes around 15 minutes, and let's see how it looks like. So you have here a seal that as this camera will be outside, the cable from solar panels comes with seal as well. So once you plug it in, it actually protects from the water. For a stand, if it will be sitting on the table, there is just like this holder. And for outside, in our case, you have to put it on the screws. To put it on the screws, you have to unscrew the holder. We'll put here 2 screws through in the wall, and we'll screw it back on. They recommend to install it at 2-3 meter high, and the sensor works 2 to 10 meters distance. Additional to the screws, there comes this band, and if you're putting a summer mounting it on the pole, you just can put it through and attach to any pole. This camera comes a few international stickers in case you want to put it on the wall, and a sample to make holes for the screws. Solar panel is very interesting material. It's definitely different than we have on the roof. The holder is from metal. Here you have a camera. This is sensor, and here you have mic and speaker. So download the Reolink app, turn on the camera.
Camera has been started up. Please run Reolink app, add the camera, and set it up. Scan succeeded. Camera is connecting to your router. Please wait. Connection to the router succeeded. Welcome to Reolink. Connection to the router succeeded. Welcome to Reolink.
So the problem was I had 5G, and apparently this camera works only at 2.4G. So make sure you have 2.4G when you connect into the router. So that's pretty much it. Average it took 15 minutes to install camera and solar. We had these cameras for a couple of weeks and they perform great. In our case, the longest distance between router and the camera is 7 meters, and it works just fine. I installed in all cameras 128GB SD cards, and it's more than enough to record all the movements. And my favorite feature about these cameras is that it records only the movements, so when you check the history you see exactly when was something recorded and you don't have to go through all the files. We had a couple of weeks of very grey and foggy weather, and the cameras worked just fine. The lowest battery I noticed was 70%. That being said, I'm very satisfied with the cameras. Thanks for watching, thumbs up, cheers!